friends, on this video right now I'm going to show you how to make large or small the text size. You can say font size also on Tecno phones. So friends, before we start this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. So firstly, just tap on the setting, then after that from here you have to scroll on the down. You have to search for the display and brightness. So here you can see friends, this is the display and brightness. So just click on display and brightness. When you move on the display and brightness, this is the setting of the display and brightness. So scroll on the down, and friends, here you can see this is the font size. Okay, so here you have to click on the font size. When you move on the font size, you can see this is the small, this is the medium, and here is the large. Okay, so if you want to increase, decrease, make small, make large, you can just tap on the buttons and your text size will be increased, decrease, and it will be in the medium. Okay, so just tap that, you can see the change. Okay, you can change easily like this the text size. Okay, so I just click on the back button. When I move on the back button, it doesn't give the display size. Actually display size, it can increase your display, it can decrease your decrease your display size. Okay, so they didn't give the display size option. If they has given, then I can show you. Okay, but they don't give, then how can I show you, right? So friends, hope you love the video, and if you love the video, like the video, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.